Hey YouTube, Andrew here. I am going to give you an overview and recap of some extremely cool Russian Scorpions vinyl that I've managed to put into my collection. So in 2015, Scorpions released 4 of their albums on neon colored vinyl, different colors, pressed in Germany, only sold in Russia. And I became aware of this when these came out. And you're looking at the cover for Animal Magnetism, the first in this series. And you can see on the hype sticker that it comes in neon orange vinyl. What was really interesting about these records is this is how they were shipped. They were shipped in wood. So this particle board wood came, see, it's 2 pieces taped together, but they protected these records like there was no tomorrow. So all 4 of them were ordered directly from Russia, and they arrived with no damage whatsoever to the corners of the albums. So that was really cool. So this is the first one, Animal Magnetism. I'm showing you the sleeve. And it's basically faithful to the original European release of the album. So the back of the album has the European version of the back cover on it. And I want to give you a close-up of the actual vinyl. So there's the vinyl, and it's neon orange. I'll pick it up so that you don't see the sleeve underneath, but extremely cool color on the vinyl. So that's the first one, Animal Magnetism. And then the second one in the series is Blackout. And this is the cover for Blackout. Still has the hype sticker on it. And it shows you there that it is in neon pink vinyl. So here's the neon pink vinyl. Pick this up so you can get a sense of it. But extremely cool color. Only released in Russia. The other thing I wanted to point out while we're talking about Blackout for a minute is this is my English copy of Blackout that I got when it was first released in 1982. And many people are not aware that the version of China White on this album, on the UK version, is different than the version on the American and basically worldwide release version. So China White on the UK Blackout has a completely different guitar solo in it. And Rudolph stated in Kerrang that he made the decision to release the 2 versions because he couldn't decide which version of the solo he liked better. So that's just a little fun fact regarding the Blackout album. I'll go to the 3rd album in this release, which was Love at First Sting. And Love at First Sting came pressed on neon yellow vinyl, which you'll see here. It's an opaque, it's basically clear neon yellow vinyl. And it's worth pointing out too that the Scorpions did their 50th anniversary reissue of a number of their LPs on colored vinyl. And I believe there's 10 albums in that collection. And I have all those, but they're all different colors of vinyl than were used for this Russian release. So the last record in this release is Savage Amusement. And as you can see on the hype sticker, that was done on purple vinyl, which I'll show you here. So a translucent purple vinyl for that one, which looks great. Now I'm going to go over to the last Russian Scorpions LP that I have, which is Born to Touch Your Feelings. This came out in 2019. And again, with the Russian version, they did a color on the vinyl that was different than the rest of the world. So this is the color of the vinyl. It's red with some smoke in it. So that is my recap on Scorpion's Russian vinyl in different colors than the rest of the world saw. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care.